Hello everyone. So I really got a great response from my previous batch, and the current batch is going really well. And in the span of 1 month, we are able to finish about 5 units, and we covered research and we covered research methodology, statistics, and all the students are pouring such an overwhelming responses, and there are a lot of queries for the next batch. So with great joy I am able to give this news to you that we are also having another morning batch for the August, from the August. And from August 1, 2020, we are going to start another morning batch. The previous batch which I am having right now is for professionals, for aspirants who are working and who want the classes in the evening. But this one is for non professionals or graduate students, or who have completed their graduations or simply wanting to prepare in the morning. So the classes will be in the morning, and again we will cover both paper 1, paper 2. It will be a comprehensive course for 3 months for the aspirants who are preparing for 2021. Please note, it's not for the current aspirants who are willing to appear for 2020. This batch is going to be for 2021. And you can find the brochure in the link. All the important description and all the important information is present in the description box. Please see it for yourself. You can see the brochure, all the information regarding the fees, the classes, the kind of material you will be getting. One very important point over here, that these are online classes. All right, you do not have to go anywhere, or you do not have to be anywhere. You can download any conferencing or video conferencing app that we will be conducting the classes from. The recordings will be given to you for unlimited time of period. For like, you can keep the recordings to yourself even after the classes are finished. So this is not a pre-recorded class session or pre-recorded classes. This is going to be a live session for you guys. So you can interact in the live session. You can ask the doubts simultaneously, and also keep the recording of the entire class with yourself. Along with that, you will be provided with basic textbooks, important textbooks and material, and other PDF material relevant for the examination. Other resources and notes you will be provided. And along with that, you will also be so we will also discuss question answers, previous year's question paper, important pattern or pattern analysis will be done, and each and every concept will be taken in a very comprehensive manner. You can also ask your doubts to me personally or in the live sessions. And I just really hope that you are able to get as much help and guidance for psychology optional. So I hope you will enroll for this one. And if you want any help, or if you have any query, you can please text me on the email or on the telegram channel that I have mentioned in the description. You can download the brochure, as I said, it is in the description box, and you can message me or email me. Thank you so very much.